Hello everyone, I am Manvinder. I have more than 13 plus years of experience in web hosting industries. Today I am going to save your thousands of dollars. How? Just follow this video and you don't need to hire any cPanel WHMCS expert to set up your reseller web hosting. So I will share all the secrets step by steps according to my experience to set up reseller hosting. So let us start without wasting any time. So before start proceeding, first let us discuss about requirements. So you need two things to start the reseller hosting. First one is WHMCS, second is cPanel WHMCS, root access or reseller account access. So let us discuss first what is a WHMCS. So WHMCS is a web hosting uh, complete management solutions. Basically, it's a billing solution which provide you the complete automation setup for domain registrations, selling cPanel services, shared, I mean to say shared hosting, as well as you can you can sell VPS and dedicated servers. So apart from it, you don't need to do any manual work. For example, suppose if customer purchased a monthly based reseller hosting or shared hostings, right? So you don't need to send the manually invoice after 30 days. WHMCS will automate send the invoice to customer, and if customer doesn't pay the invoice, WHMCS will automatically suspend the service. So that's what do exactly WHMCS. So now let us discuss about cPanel WHM. WHM is a web hosting manager which installed on VPS or dedicated server. To install cPanel WHM, you need server root access. So WHM is basically, it provides you the way to create the shared based cPanel accounts. On cPanel, you can create hundred of cPanel account and sell those hosting to your customers. And cPanel is one of the most demanding software in hosting industry, which provide you all the way to create the website easily. Like for example, file manager feature, FTP, MySQL database creation. These are all the features providing by cPanel WHM. So now let us start uh, how to set up the cPanel and WHM step by step. So let me share my screen. I have installed cPanel and WHMCS. You can see the WHMCS dashboard, right? And here is how the WHM panel will look like. So first step is, let us connect the cPanel server with WHMCS. Let me log in first. So first we will create the group. We created the group like shared hosting server. Now let us add the server. So it's a cPanel server. So first we need to enter the cPanel IP. So cPanel IP is this one. Username is root. Password is this one. Let us test the connection. As I can see, server is connected. So Now add the server here. Oops. So now let us create the, so we, as you can see, we have connected the cPanel server with WHMCS. So now let us create the product. Here you can see the products. So we can create the group like a shared hosting, as we are going to sell the shared hosting. Save changes. Product group is created. Now let's create the product. So our product group is shared hosting. So let us create the product like a 1 GB hosting. Module, we will select the cPanel. Here we can put the description like for the product short description like a 1 GB disk space. Unlimited bandwidth, 5 email accounts, 5 MySQL databases, and 2 subdomains, and 5 FTP count. So let us save this value somewhere. And save it. Oops. So you can see product is created already. So in module selecting, we will select the server. As you can see, there is no package. So first we need to connect the cPanel package, so that suppose if customer purchase the 1 GB disk space product, so according to that, we need to map the cPanel package in WHM. Add a package. Package name we will define similar to that, so that it could be easily to understand. Disk space is 1 GB, and we are giving one limited bandwidth, 5 FTP counts, and 5 email accounts. Database we have created 5, and subdomains we have given 2 only. Email should be like 100 we can set. PGSS, and that's it. So now So the cPanel which we created the group, we can see here. If you wanted to give the option to users, like they can automatically install the WordPress once the hosting created on care. So you can set here, allow admin to install machine, allow client installation. So that's all. So let us select automatically set up the product as soon as the first payment is received. So once user made the payment, WHMCS will automatically create the count, cPanel count. So let us save it. Why it's let us create the one duplicate account, duplicate product, 10 GB hosting. Product type and product group should be same. So product name is a 10 GB hosting. So here we will copy paste all the value, and we will set according to the what value we are going to sell. 10 GB disk space, 10 email account, 10 MySQL database, 5 subdomains, and 10 FTP accounts. So again, we need to create the new package here. Ten GB product which we created. Let's add one more value. FTP count 10. Next email count 10. Unlimited. Subdomains we are giving 5. So let us add 5 value here, and let's put 100. Let us refresh the value. So we will select the 10 GB product, and we'll set it the automatically, and we'll make the save it. So now let us log in the front end. One more thing I would like to add: when you are creating the shared based hosting package, you will select the required domain. You cannot avoid it. And let us create the product. We, as for the testing purpose, I don't have set up any payment gateway. So let us test the product automation with free, right? So we have set the payment type is free. Either you can set it recurring based, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, annually, or biannually, or triannually. In shared hosting, we can see all those products, 1 GB product and 10 GB product. So 1 GB product and 10 GB product both are free. So it will be show the price like a 000. Let us order it, and we need to enter the domain for which we are going to buy the reseller hosting. So let us use, I can choose my existing domain. So I will enter my domain like a manvindarbedi.com. Okay, and let us check out. Let me create my account. I'll put all the default value. And it's the password. Okay, so I need to set up the payment gateway in WHMCS. Let me do that. This is the fresh WHMCS which we are using. So that's why. So we can set up bank transfer as for now. And let us so my order is completed. So let us check in WHMCS admin. We can see all the orders here. If I accept the order, I can see my hosting is created. If I go to the here list accounts, okay, so might be there is error. Let's try to create the account here. Okay, so you can see the modules command successfully, service created successfully. So let us check now the hosting is created in WHM panel or not. So you can see manvindarbedi.com domain hosting is created. So how you can access it? Let me show you. So if you go in your services, you can find the 1 GB hosting count I purchased, and all the value showing 0. Why so? Because the count which hosting which I created, I didn't use any data yet. So that's why all the value is coming 0 actually. So here you can see all the details. So this video I have show you, I have given you the steps how to create, how to first uh, what I mean to say is how to set up and connect cPanel server with WHMCS. Apart from it, we have discussed about how to create a products and how to create the package in WHM panel and how to connect each other respectively with according to the products. And we have tested how the automation system work actually. So you don't need to do anything manual. We created the group product hosting count manually. Why so? Because we don't have any live payment system. So once you so you can set up the payment gateway as well. according to the demonstration which I given. So that's all. If you have any query, feel free to contact me. Thank you.